Ugitonya ceceni ino ya borithi guku Garissa uratungwo ni mihango ya gubokora Makunia rori-ini ino ya borithi. Kuringana na komanda wa kaunti ya Garissa Paul Soi, irio cia guteithia muingi cia thirikari ni ihithukitio thitoo-ini imwe ya mundu kiumbe. Mucere uyu wa thirikari uratanyitwo guteithia ikaria mwena wa Hulugho, no aria marari na uigiririki wa kukinya kuria wagiriire marautwara thitoo-ini imwe tauni-ini ya Garissa, no maranjia kucenjanagia Makunia-ini mangi niguo mawendie, no borithi maramahithukira na kumaikia ngono na kumatwara ceceni-ini ya borithi.
On 12 September 2019, we received a report from one contractor, Mr. Musa Said Hassan, that a relief food which was to be delivered in Hulugho sub-county was diverted to one of the stores within Garissa town. Officers, after receiving the information, stormed the said stores and managed to recover a total of 655 bags of rice.
Munini wa county commissioner wa Garissa uria wahurite kirore gia kuga ni amukirite irio icio atamukirite onaki ni umwe wa aria maikitio ngono hamwe na mwene thitoo na riu ni megukinyio igoti-ini na meguthitangirwo mahitia ma uici na kuhuthira wabici uru.
The ACC Hulugho, while he was in Garissa, signed delivery of the said rice that he has received before it was delivered in Hulugho. All of them have been arrested and in custody and will appear in court to answer the charges for the offense of stealing goods in transit, abuse of office and handling stolen goods.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Bio wa Wambui.